Need to download your contact list from Brevo? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export contacts from Brevo step by step. We'll navigate to the Contacts section, choose the contacts you want to export, download the file, and verify that everything has been exported correctly. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Contacts section where all of your subscribers are stored. Next, decide which contacts you'd like to export. You can usually export your entire contact database or select a specific list or segment based on what you need. If necessary, use the available filters to narrow down your selection. Once you've selected your contacts, locate the export option and click it. Depending on your account settings, you may also be able to choose which contact fields should be included in the exported file. After that, choose your preferred export format. You know, CSV is usually the best option because it works with spreadsheet software and many other email marketing platforms. Confirm your selection and allow Brevo to prepare the export. When the export is finished, download the file to your computer. Open it using a spreadsheet application and make sure your email addresses, names, and other important contact details have been exported correctly. Finally, save your exported file in a secure location. Yeah, since contact lists often contain personal information, it's important to protect the file and only share it when necessary. If you're moving to another email marketing platform, you can now import the file there. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export contacts from Brevo in 2026. I mean, exporting your contacts is a great way to create backups, switch platforms, or maintain offline records of your subscribers. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.